Indiana is top 5 in the country, one of only 2 teams that are top 5 in the country in offensive and defensive efficiency. The Hoosiers have come a long way over the last 2 years on the defensive end. This is now an outstanding defensive team in addition to being an outstanding offensive team. I think they're the better half-court defensive team. And I think they're probably, even though Michigan's number 1, I think you can make a great case that Indiana, as consistent, there have been 2 teams that have been the most consistent in the basketball power index as far as a variance against other teams. One of them's Grambling because they've lost every game. The other's Indiana. And I think Indiana's the best half-court defensive team.